April is Autism Awareness Month. There's been a lot of talk about autism recently. That's because 1 in 88 children has an autism spectrum disorder, and this number could be even higher. According to a recent survey by the National Center for Health Statistics, 1 in 50 children are affected by autism. Autism is a developmental disorder which affects communication, social interaction, sensory processing, and motor skills. The word autism made its first appearance in the 1940s. It comes from the Greek word autos, meaning self. A child psychiatrist first used it to describe a withdrawn behavior he noticed in several of his patients. That was 7 decades ago. Today, doctors and researchers still don't know what causes autism. It remains a bit of a mystery, which is why the disorder is frequently represented by puzzle pieces. A few decades after the first diagnosis, professionals still didn't know much about autism. They estimated it affected about 1 in 10,000. In 1996, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention started tracking the disorder. Based on its 2002 data, the CDC estimated that 1 in 150 children had autism. The most recent study was conducted in 2008. That's where the 1 in 88 number comes from today, which is a 78% increase from the original estimate in 2002. Now, a phone survey of U.S. households with children found that 1 in 50 children has autism. While the survey measured autism differently than the other studies, it still shows us something important. The rate of autism prevalence continues to grow, and the need for supporting services and products continues to grow right along with it. Blohm and Associates has worked in the education industry for over 20 years. And one of our greatest lessons is that everyone learns differently. But different doesn't mean less. Everyone deserves the chance to learn. And even though the way we learn might be different, it's not wrong. The unique talents and strengths of the autism community should be celebrated. Many of these individuals offer inspiring stories of determination and acceptance. Let's learn to appreciate every individual's gifts because every day should be Autism Acceptance Day. It's pretty likely that someone you know has autism. So how can you help? The first step is awareness. Take some time to learn more about this very common developmental disorder and spread the word. But just as important, learn to accept the differences of the people around you.